Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to zigzag stitch your batting filled tubes. Before you do that, pin your batting filled tubes to a foam core board in the order that you want them zigzag stitched together. Now you'll notice that I've already zigzag stitched a few of these. When you zigzag stitch, you want to use a denim needle. We recommend the Inspira denim needles 110-18 when you're zigzag stitching. So take your tubes, and these are the last two that I have to zigzag stitch in this seam sides facing in this project. Place them seam sides together. Now this is the harder seam to zigzag stitch because it does have those two seams right there. So once you have all of your pairs sewn together, seam sides facing, the other side becomes much easier. So place that underneath your presser foot. Check to make sure that you have at least a 5.5 stitch width, and your stitch length should be 2.5. It shouldn't be any longer than that. You don't want to show an overabundance of thread in there, so you don't want your stitches too tight together. So 2.5 we find is the best stitch length to use. So then you'll just zigzag stitch your tubes together. Now you don't want them overlapping, just press them together and zigzag stitch them as you go along. Now feed them evenly. If you don't feed them evenly, they will curve. And let me see if I can show you how to straighten a curve. Now this one we've already zigzag stitched. I'm going to make it curve. So you can see that it's got a little curve to it. Now the curve is curving to the right. If I hold on to that and pull it to the left, it will straighten that curve right out. So you want to make sure your zigzag stitch, your pairs after you've zigzag stitched them are nice and straight. So just zigzag stitch your pairs together, and then zigzag stitch sets of 4 together, and then sets of 8 together, and so forth until you have all of your tube zigzag stitched together for your project. That's it.